Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel See the World Through. Again, I'm here to discuss very important news and sad news, especially from India, where a training doctor was in university, a very young doctor. He jumped himself due to some reason from the university, I think third or fourth floor. He was graduating from Uttar Pradesh, and he killed himself. Young generation. This is not the first news. This time, so many news I'm hearing, especially from the countries where they worship idols, Chinese Buddhist, Japanese, or India, and many other countries like this. Suicide rate is very high. So I thought to give some my analysis. That look, I understand your book may not teach you exact, but if you read the book of Quran and the Torah and Gospel, it's teaching you that human has a purpose. A human has life is given, so it has a test. I understand you have pressurized because university are gone too far into trying to make too much profit. They're giving people too much trouble. They're asking them to pay too much money, too much difficult subjects. They push too much into very difficult test exams, mostly fail. I understand they are bad people who are running universities, colleges, university schools. Human is born with a quality. Human has a self-respect. We cannot put too much pressure on them to get higher exam, to get this and that. We have to be deal with them respectfully and help them. If they have a trouble, they cannot find any money to pay you, the state should help. If they cannot have residence to live, the state's job, who call father of every their country persons, they should help. And children and the woman and girl should know that this life is not forever. This life is temporary and test. This life we're living very short life. If you're experiencing some issues, do not take your life. It's this not never ending. This is not gonna give you a comfort. There's a second life. I did very neutral investigation, reading all major holy books, that every human has to give answer on Judgment Day. I gave you life, what you have done to your life. Test comes, diseases come, you may lose your family member, you may lose your friend, you may fail something, you may not get a job what you like, but don't take your life. Sometimes very successful people, they were failed and then they did something else and they were very successful. They became billionaires. So let's not take life. Suicide is very wrong, and according to Holy Book Quran, the person who killed their life, they will burn in hellfire, and there will not be any end of that person, because God has put a purpose. He's sending you, Bhagwan God, and He's sending you from the sky rain for you. He's sending, making sun and moons in your service. He is making trees to grow, give you fruit and vegetable. Animals serve you with the food, everything. You have father and mother and the friends and everything. So do not take your life. Comes difficulty comes. A lot of people have lost many members. I have lost 9 out of 11 members. But it's a test. So we should be careful not to take our lives and making our relatives, our parents and friends suffer forever. Let's face the challenge. We need to, these Buddhist and Hindus countries, go and read the book of Quran. It's just a book. You will understand what's the purpose of your life. We all are children of Adam and Eve, spread all over the world, one family. So we need to read each other's knowledgeable book and try to change ourselves. Respect your life. Don't take your life. And if challenge comes, seek refuge. Ask your neighbors or family to help, or be patient. You may get a better opportunity after that, or better opportunity. Let's change. Let's give respect to our life, our health. Enjoy your life. You have been plenty. The state has to play a bigger role to change the system. The corrupt statement departments has ruined the life of the people. They're not giving their due rights. We have so much land available. Every country, that they can give them, make them house, help them making house, give them education. State is not playing role which they should be playing. The states, civilian departments, politicians, armed forces, they all unitedly should help their people. Every person of their country is just like their child. We should help each other. There's no only way to succeed in this life and hereafter, forever. Next life is forever. We all know. And if we fail here, we're not respecting somebody's life, we're giving people trouble, then there's no chance you can get hereafter any success. Be afraid of the time when the difficult time comes. So let's change. Let's respect each other. Let's make some subject easy. Let's make education affordable. Let's make help each other. Let's not put pressure on people too much. Give them what they due rights, and then God will help you in this life and hereafter. Take care. See you next time. Bye.